back home from the flower market and I picked up some beautiful fresh greens and blooms just to have around the house, but also I want to make a pretty holiday wreath to hang above our stove on our kitchen hood. I have always loved the look of a wreath on a kitchen hood, but we've never had a hood until recently when we renovated our kitchen. It was one of the first things that I knew that I wanted and that I asked for. So now that I have it, I finally get to hang a wreath up there and I'm so excited. It's the littlest things. So let's make a pretty wreath. We're going to use these rosemary stems and these eucalyptus pods. I have never seen or heard of these before until today, and I just think they're the most unique looking things ever, so I thought I would add that. And to hold the wreath together, we're going to use some green wire, and for our bow, we're going to use this beautiful cream velvet ribbon. And then to hang it up on the kitchen hood, we're going to use a command hook. Okay, we're going to start by shaping the wreath. Don't want it to be too big of a wreath, but also not too small. And I'm going to use these clippers to cut the wire. I'll start first by placing the stems where I would like them to go. Okay, we have our wreath. It takes a bit to maneuver it, but we got it. Now I'm gonna start adding these little stems around the wreath. Okay, all there's left to do is add the ribbon, tie the bow, and I'm gonna tie it to the top of the wreath. I'm not going to cut the ribbon because I do love the way it looks with these long pieces hanging from it. It just looks a little effortless, and that's the look I'm going for. It's a very minimal wreath, but also very neutral enough to get us through these fleeting seasons and holidays. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.